Hi, I'm Stacy Newman, and this is my computer proficiency assignment. I'm going to begin my demonstration by opening a web browser. So I use Google Chrome, mostly because that's what came with my computer. Once this opens, it will display an address bar and some links below that I use most often. And I will click on my mid-portal link to get into my login screen. So once that loads, there it is. I'm going to click on my mid-portal link. It's going to bring me to my login screen. It's going to ask me to log in. So I'm going to do that. Put in my username and my password. And now I'm to open my email. Now that my email is loaded, I can minimize that, and I'm going to go into my File Explorer. I'm going to go into my documents. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call that the CIS 100 folder. Once that's done, I'm going to go over to my WordPad, click on that, and I am to create a new document. So I'm going to click on blank document. I'm going to create text in this document. I'm going to say CIS demonstration. It's going to tell me to file as and save as. I'm going to put it into my documents. I'm going to add my CIS folder, and I'm going to rename this CIS 100 demo and save. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to open it back up in my CS folder 100 there. I'm going to rename this document CIS 100. Oh, come on. CIS 100 demonstration, and save that. I'm going to go back into my email, compose a new email, I'm going to send it to myself. In the subject line, I'm going to put CIS 100. I'm going to attach the file I just created. And it is in my documents. CIS folder 100 folder. I'm just going to drag and drop it here. Now I'm going to send it to myself. And there it is. Now I'm going to open my email. I'm going to verify that the attachment is here. And it is. So now I'm going to log off. And my demonstration is complete.